makeup and it feels great. Looked at it this morning, I said, you're the devil. So we're not doing that today. But I don't know why, but I have to tell this story. It is so hilarious to me, and I just wish I could have gotten it on camera. Like, that's what I'll say. So yesterday I was just, I'm still in Texas. I was out and about, and there was a couple walking on a sidewalk, a husband and wife. And I know they were husband and wife. Alright, this phone keeps like falling. But basically, so they are walking on this sidewalk, and the husband walks in front of her and she walks behind him. So he doesn't see this. I shouldn't be telling this story as I'm entering the highway. The Dallas North Tollway. For those of you that know, this is craziness. But she goes behind him and he's talking and she's not. And she does this like baseball bat to his head. He never sees this. She's not actually holding a baseball bat. It was imaginary. But damn, did she whack the guy. Metaphorically. Okay? And I looked at her and I said, you know what? I don't know the whole story, but something tells me he deserved it. Let's go to Dollar Tree. I mean, I would do outfit of the day, but shorts, tank top, this, shoes. Let's go. Ooh, they have these. I love those. I would get them, but can't put them in my luggage. That's actually so cute. You can use napkins too for junk journaling. Look at those. Adorable. Look at this. These little like paper cutouts. I gotta try to find this in Florida because I want those. These little like blow-ups. This has been out for several years and I absolutely love it. Okay, that is so fun. Look at this one. Have I seen this one? I don't really know. This is so cute too. Love it. The color changing cups. I've already hauled them. And look, there's only one sitting here. Oh my God. What? I can't put this in my luggage. No freaking way. I hauled that one. That's so pretty. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, are you serious right now? No, get this. And get this immediately if like you're gonna do some type of nautical project. Ooh, look. Look at that. Surf and sun, sea glass, and driftwood. If I could travel with that, I would. I've also already hauled the little bath bombs and the soaps. They are so cute too. All of these. This one I don't have, but I have that one. And I have all of those. Look how cute this is. Like, I can't even deal. You just put sand in here. So for those of you that love like shopping junk journal supplies here, you gotta always think outside the box. So like these little headbands would be perfect to deconstruct and use in your junk journal. I've done it with Christmas. They're so cute. What? No way. spilling the tea.
Thank you.
I love these. I already bought some. I'm trying like not to get any more because I'm just not gonna be able to fit in my luggage. I love this one too. Like the little parachute and the watermelon. Look at this. I'm getting it. Like I just have to. I know I have like 15 copies of those, but this is really cute too. I know I have some of those. I'm gonna get that. I know I have a bunch of these. You know what? Get that too. Wait, what's this? I don't have that one. Look at that one. Okay, they also have this one too, which is so cute. In the bonus section, they have this, but once upon a time, this was like at Dollar Tree for $1. And sometimes you can still find it as $1. So, always look. This stuff right here, this Zepp, worth it, in my opinion. They have Myers? Wow. Okay, what? Oh, look at this. That is so cute. It's gonna be perfect for like a party at home. Maybe you're like doing a table display, or maybe you're doing like a pasta bar or taco bar. This would actually be really cute for that. That is everything. What is this? Oh, I'm gonna have to try to find that in Florida. They've got these little like travel sizes, which these would be really cute for a gift basket. Maybe for someone who's like moving into a new home, to a new apartment. Those would be cute. I don't know why I'm looking at this, because what is this? Oh my god. I want to come home. I'm over it. Like, I want to buy that. I can't. Is this a dupe for the pink thing? Oh my gosh. I'm hitting the jackpot and I can't even take it with me. This, it's a literal nightmare. It's a nightmare for me. I can't put this in my cart. Oh, what's that? Absolutely adorable. Wait, what's that? Why am I acting happy? My life's falling apart. So cute. Already got those. These little turtles. I've already hauled these, but they still surprise me to this day. Like, what? They even have like round ones. Oh, look at my favorite brand go. Look at these really pretty metallic bottle mailers. Like, Gorgeous. These are some of my favorite little car toys. The packaging is super cute. It's gonna look great in a care package, gift basket. Like, even for Father's Day, this would be adorable. Like, maybe you could find like their dream car in here, or like maybe their current car or something. That would be so adorable. Like, look, Matchbox. Matchbox is at Dollar Tree. I mean, even Hot Wheels. But like, Matchbox honestly is the most impressive to me that it's here. Like, oh, look, they have a Bronco. Like, what? You guys know how I'm obsessed with the cars at Dollar Tree, and I try to find them for like junk journaling. So far, the Mother's Day ones aren't really grabbing me, but what's this one? See, the little snails are so cute and colorful. I'm actually gonna get this one because I'm gonna get it for junk journaling. Like, I'll just cut off this part, or I can cover it up. So we're gonna get that. Look at them having tea. That is so cute. But yeah, I've been like looking through these, and like I just wait. Oh, I thought it was like an old-timey dress or something. See, this is how you manifest right here. You get yourself a card like this, and you just stare at it every day. You know what I mean? That's actually a really cute card. What? I want to get these for my niece. Oh my god. What? Oh, $3. I'm speechless. This is giving Beauty and the Beast. Look at that. Okay, this is a thing. I'm so out of touch.
All yours. Have a great day.